Hello, Forever World. Today, I'm super proud to say congratulations to over 800 Eagle managers who have qualified at the end of April. Congratulations to you all. You know, that's like 10% up over last year's Eagle managers. Really proud of you guys. You worked hard and you've achieved something so great. And you set your mind and you have a goal, and then you work through all the challenges and overcome them and make it as an Eagle manager. What an incredible feat. And I'm just really proud of each and every one of you. Now, we understand that it's so disappointing not to have an Eagle manager retreat. Trust me, we would love to have one. It was coming here to Scottsdale, and we wanted you guys to enjoy the home office. We understand that it's very, very disappointing. And we hope that the global pandemic, of course, improves this year. We've already seen it in many areas improving, because we want to move forward with the plans for an Eagle Manager Retreat in 2022. The global events and experiences that they provide are a big driver towards success for so many, particularly the new people to Forever. With this in mind, we want to assure you that within the limitations presented by governments, we are fully planning to host an Eagle Manager Retreat in 2022. That's right, we are planning it. Now, these will be resort-based, 4 nights, 5 days, including activities and dinners, just like we've done in the past. However, we cannot reveal the destinations at this time because there's so much uncertainty out there, right? We wouldn't know where to announce that. Now, if the situation remains difficult in specific areas of the world, it may be that we have to operate regional Eagle Manager retreats. So instead of doing one big one, we may have to do one in the area of Asia or in the area of Europe or one in Africa. We don't know yet, but we're thinking of all the options that will give us the opportunity to actually have an Eagle Manager Retreat next year. This commitment, it provides us the chances of this EMR being able to take place around September, October of 2022. Now, additionally, I am pleased to advise all of you existing Eagle managers that after the good fortune of being able to renegotiate contracts from our hotel and venue partners here in Phoenix, we are able to increase the compensation payment for the cancellation of the EMR 21 event from $1,000 up to $1,500. Isn't that great? More money in your pocket. Fantastic. I hope that this is good news to you after the disappointment of not being able to attend this incredible event. In the meantime, I wish you all well, and I hope that you will continue to fly high and work hard to be Eagles in the future. Thanks, everybody.